Your front door is more than an entryway, it's your home's first line of defense. In Phoenixville, where homeowners value both charm and safety, professional door installation plays a critical role in protecting families, property, and peace of mind. While choosing a sturdy door matters, how that door is installed often makes the biggest difference in overall security. A proper fit eliminates vulnerabilities. One of the most common security issues with doors is improper fitting. Gaps around the frame, uneven alignment, or loose hinges create easy access points for intruders. Professional door installers ensure your door fits precisely within the frame, closing tightly and evenly every time. This tight seal not only improves security but also enhances insulation and reduces drafts, an added bonus for Phoenixville homeowners dealing with seasonal weather changes. Strong frames matter as much as the door itself. Many homeowners focus on the door slab and overlook the frame. However, even the strongest door can fail if the frame is weak or improperly secured. Professional installers reinforce door frames using heavy-duty materials and secure them directly into the home's structure. This reinforcement makes it significantly harder for forced entry attempts, such as kicking or prying, to succeed. Advanced lock and hardware installation locks are only effective when installed correctly. Professional door installation includes precise placement of locks, deadbolts, and strike plates to maximize resistance against forced entry. Installers often recommend longer screws, reinforced strike plates, and multi-point locking systems that add layers of security. These upgrades are especially valuable for front and back doors, which are common targets for break-ins. Reduced risk of door failure over time. A poorly installed door may function initially but can shift, warp, or loosen over time. This gradual deterioration can compromise security without homeowners realizing it. Professional installation ensures proper weight distribution, correct hinge placement, and long-term stability. This means your door continues to protect your home years after installation, not just on day one. Better integration with modern security features. Many Phoenixville homeowners are upgrading to smart locks, video doorbells, and advanced security systems. Professional installers understand how to integrate doors seamlessly with modern security technology. Proper alignment and wiring considerations ensure these systems function reliably, providing real-time monitoring and controlled access without technical issues. Increased safety for your family. Home security isn't just about deterring intruders, it's about protecting the people inside. A professionally installed door reduces the risk of sudden failures during storms or emergencies. It also ensures doors open and close smoothly, which is particularly important for households with children or elderly family members who rely on safe, easy access. Added value and confidence. Beyond physical security, professional door installation adds emotional reassurance. Knowing your doors are installed correctly allows you to feel confident whether you're at home, at work, or away on vacation. Additionally, professionally installed doors can increase property value and appeal, making your Phoenixville home more attractive to future buyers. Why professional installation is worth it. DIY installation may seem cost-effective, but mistakes can be costly, both financially and in terms of safety. Professional door installation ensures every component works together to protect your home. From reinforced frames to expertly installed locks, the difference is noticeable in durability, performance, and peace of mind.